Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of Mediterranean cuisine. The Mediterranean diet is renowned for its health benefits and delicious flavors. So if you're looking for some tasty and nutritious recipes, you're in the right place. Let's get cooking. Before we start making these wonderful Mediterranean meals, let's define the Mediterranean diet. Unlike rigorous diets, the Mediterranean diet is a lifestyle inspired by Mediterranean countries' traditional eating habits. Wellness goes beyond food, it's holistic. The foundation of the Mediterranean diet is built on whole, unprocessed foods that are not only tasty but also bring a plethora of health benefits. Here are some key elements that make the Mediterranean diet stand out. Colorful fruits and vegetables are encouraged in the Mediterranean diet. These tasty meals are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that improve health. Healthy fats, particularly those found in nuts and olive oil, are embraced by the Mediterranean diet, in contrast to diets that demonize fats. Rich in mono and polyunsaturated fats, these lipids have been linked to decreased inflammation and heart health. The Mediterranean diet is rich in whole grains, such as whole wheat, quinoa, and farro. They are a good source of fiber which helps to maintain digestive health and keeps you feeling full. While the diet includes moderate amounts of fish and poultry, it also features plant-based protein sources like legumes and nuts. These proteins are not only delicious, but they also support muscle health and provide essential nutrients. The Mediterranean diet includes moderate amounts of dairy, often in the form of yogurt and cheese. These provide calcium and other essential nutrients for bone health. The use of herbs and spices not only adds incredible flavor to dishes, but also eliminates the need for excessive salt. This is in line with the diet's focus on reducing sodium intake. While not mandatory, the Mediterranean diet often includes red wine in moderation. Red wine is rich in antioxidants and has been associated with heart health when consumed in reasonable amounts. By embracing these principles, the Mediterranean diet has been linked to numerous health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even cognitive decline. So, as we explore this recipe today, keep in mind the rich tradition and healthful approach that the Mediterranean diet offers. Now, let's get started on our first delicious recipe. Our first recipe is a classic Mediterranean dish, the Greek salad. It's not only refreshing, but also incredibly easy to make. Here's what you'll need. Start by dicing the tomatoes and cucumber. You want bite-sized pieces that will make each forkful a delight. Thinly slice the red onion and dice the green bell pepper. The combination of these fresh veggies will give the salad its signature crunch and flavor. In a large salad bowl, combine the diced tomatoes, cucumber, sliced red onion, and diced green bell pepper. This forms the colorful and nutrient-rich base of our Greek salad. Next, add in the Kalamata olives. These briny olives add a salty kick that contrasts beautifully with the sweetness of the tomatoes. Now let's not forget the star of the show, feta cheese. Crumble it over the salad and you'll get those creamy, tangy bites that make a Greek salad truly special. Drizzle the extra virgin olive oil and red wine vinegar over the salad. This simple dressing enhances the flavors without overpowering the freshness of the vegetables. Sprinkle dried oregano, salt, and pepper to taste. Gently toss all the ingredients together. You want every morsel to be coated in the flavorful dressing. Take a moment to appreciate the medley of colors and aromas coming together. For the best results, let the Greek salad chill in the refrigerator for about 15-20 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld, creating a refreshing and satisfying dish. Now that we've enjoyed a light and flavorful salad, let's move on to the main course, grilled Mediterranean chicken. This dish is packed with protein and bursting with Mediterranean flavors. Let's get started. One of the best sources of lean protein is grilled chicken. It's rich in vital amino acids that maintain muscular function and low in saturated fat, which makes it heart healthy. To keep your chicken on the lighter side, choose skinless, boneless slices. The secret to the rich flavor of our grilled Mediterranean chicken lies in the marinade. We're using a combination of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and a blend of Mediterranean herbs like oregano and thyme. Olive oil, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, not only enhances the taste, but also provides healthy monounsaturated fats. Herbs are used in the marinade not just for flavor, but also for their nutritional value. Herbs with anti-inflammatory qualities, such as oregano, are abundant in antioxidants. These herbs improve the dish's flavor profile as well as its overall nutritional value. Alongside our grilled chicken, we're incorporating a colorful array of Mediterranean vegetables like bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, and red onions. These veggies not only add a burst of color, but also provide essential vitamins and minerals. Plus, they contribute to the Mediterranean diet's emphasis on a variety of plant-based foods. In addition to being a tasty cooking technique, grilling is also a healthier substitute for frying. It makes the food slimmer by letting extra fats drain out. The marinade is caramelized by the grill's high heat, giving the chicken a delicious crust. Remember, the key to a perfect grilled Mediterranean chicken is allowing it to marinate for at least a few hours or overnight. This not only infuses the flavors but also ensures a juicy and tender result. As we continue our journey through Mediterranean flavors, let's turn our attention to a fantastic side dish that perfectly complements our grilled Mediterranean chicken, quinoa tabbouleh. This dish is a modern twist on the traditional Middle Eastern tabbouleh, incorporating the nutritional powerhouse quinoa. Let's delve into why this side dish is not only delicious, but also a nutritious addition to our Mediterranean-inspired meal. Quinoa takes center stage in our tabbouleh, and for good reason. It's a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it an excellent choice for those following a plant-based or Mediterranean diet. Additionally, quinoa is rich in fiber, promoting a healthy digestive system. Tabbouleh is known for its vibrant and refreshing taste, thanks to an abundance of fresh herbs. In our version, we're using a combination of parsley, mint, and green onions. These herbs not only add a burst of flavor, but also bring antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals to the dish. The addition of cherry tomatoes and cucumber contributes to the dish's crisp texture and nutritional profile. Staying true to the Mediterranean diet, our quinoa tabbouleh features a simple yet flavorful dressing. We're using extra virgin olive oil for its rich, fruity taste and numerous health benefits. Combined with freshly squeezed lemon juice, this dressing adds a zesty kick that ties all the ingredients together. Quinoa tabbouleh is incredibly versatile and can be adapted to suit your taste preferences. It also makes for a great make-ahead dish, allowing the flavors to meld together over time. Whether you're preparing it for a quick weeknight dinner or a gathering with friends, this side dish is a convenient and tasty choice. Beyond its delicious taste, quinoa tabbouleh is a nutrient-packed side dish. It provides a balance of carbohydrates, healthy fats, and protein, making it a well-rounded addition to your meal. The combination of quinoa and fresh vegetables ensures you're getting a variety of essential nutrients. Let's save the best for last. Olive oil cake, a delicious and unusual dessert to round off our Mediterranean feast. By adding the heart-healthy benefits of olive oil, this delectable delight not only satisfies your sweet craving, but also embraces the Mediterranean diet. Let's explore what makes this olive oil cake the ideal way to wrap up our Mediterranean-style dinner. Using olive oil in baking might seem unusual, but it adds a distinctive flavor and moist texture to the cake. Olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet, and incorporating it into desserts is a creative way to enjoy its health benefits, such as monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. The beauty of the olive oil cake lies in its simplicity. With just a handful of basic ingredients, flour, sugar, eggs, baking powder, and of course olive oil, you can create a moist and flavorful cake. We're also adding a touch of citrus zest, which complements the olive oil beautifully. Olive oil isn't just for savory dishes. In desserts, it contributes to a rich and tender crumb while providing those heart-healthy fats. It's a great alternative to butter in certain recipes, and its distinct flavor adds a wonderful depth to the cake. The olive oil cake is incredibly versatile when it comes to serving. You can enjoy it on its own, dusted with powdered sugar, or get creative with toppings like fresh berries or a dollop of Greek yogurt. This flexibility makes it suitable for various occasions, from casual family dinners to more formal gatherings. While this cake may not have traditional Mediterranean flavors like olives or feta, the use of olive oil ties it back to the essence of the Mediterranean diet. It's a sweet indulgence that aligns with the principles of balance and moderation. And there you have it, a full Mediterranean-inspired meal that's not only delicious, but also good for you. Remember, the key to the Mediterranean diet is balance and enjoying fresh, whole foods. If you try any of these recipes, let me know in the comments below how they turn out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!